Hello everyone, this is Bob with Handyman. I'm bringing to you the installation instructions, the video installation instructions that'll cover the exterior application of the do-it-yourself kit. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the assist clip. It's a clear disposable clip that you use during the assembly, reassembly, disassembly. We're going to just slide that over the door. It's going to fall into the recess. And at that point then, that holds everything together while you do the disassemble and assemble. Now we're going to remove the existing screws. This particular door has an existing interior handle, so you want to be careful when you disassemble this that you don't drop this handle and do damage to it. So you want to carefully remove each of the interior screws. All right, be careful with the handle. If the door does not have an interior handle and you're just adding it to the exterior, all you do is remove the screws. At this point, we're ready to do the install of the exterior handle. We've now moved to the exterior side of the door where we're going to install the exterior handle that was included in the kit. It's simply now temporarily removing this plastic clip, taking the existing exterior plate off and replacing it with the handle assembly, and simply reapplying the assist clip to aid in holding it together while you fasten it back together. All right, so now we've come back to the inside. We're going to show you how to finalize the assembly. In this case, we had an existing exterior handle. If we did not, we would be just attaching these screws in and finalizing the assembly at that point. But since we have this handle, there will be 3 sets of screws. There are 3 different lengths of screws, and they're in there because some of the door thicknesses vary. So we always start with the number 1 package, work your way to the number 2 package, and to the 3rd package if necessary. So most likely the first number 1 package is the most common length required. So most of the time you don't need to go beyond that. So we've got the number 1 screws. I've gone ahead and put them into the handle. I'm simply going to now just insert the screws into the interior side of the lock. And if there's any concerns with getting this to start to thread to engage, just simply move the exterior up and down to better align between the inside and the exterior half. And then just secure this down. Top and bottom screws. If you find that you're struggling with one of them, just loosen the other one so that you can get them to float around and align a little bit better. Tighten up both of the screws. And then it's fully assembled at this point. You remove the assist clip and you discard of that, and your assembly is complete. I appreciate you tuning in for the video instructions. I hope you found it to be valuable. If you have any other questions when you're doing these assemblies, there's info@handyman.net, or you can give us a call and we will assist you if necessary. Thank you.